there's one more smart button we haven't touched on, which is charges. So charges are a way of recording charges that are related to a piece of equipment over time. So to set that up, we'll go to equipment charge types and we'll create one. In this case, we'll create one for gasoline. Going back to our equipment, find our delivery van. We'll say that our employee was out and about, they were doing their local deliveries, and they ran out of gas. And they had to stop and they need to purchase more gas. And so now they want to record that per their company process as a charge for this specific piece of equipment. So they come over here to their charge type, select gasoline, 10 gallons for $32. And you can leave a description like ran out of gas and save this. If we go out to our equipment charges, we have another log. Every charge creates a log entry. The equipment charges combined with the usage logs would give you everything you need to report on what types of fuel were used and what kind of mileage was used for a given period of time, so you can remit that information to government agencies.